Good morning, friends. Surprise! It is bright and early this morning here at the Gardener's Workshop Farm and out here at before the crack of dawn, actually, to do some harvesting for the show tomorrow. And it's going to be another scorcher of a day. It is pretty unbearable around here. And what that means is starting before the sun rises, because you can get your buckets ready, right? You can do all that kind of stuff and be ready to roll, hit the ground running as soon as you can see what you're doing. If you can see, we have an amazing stand of sunflowers that Christine will be cutting a little bit later here this morning, and that's all for the show tomorrow. And I just want to invite you, because guess what, friends? I have an amazing giveaway for tomorrow. Any of you ever seen this before? This is the very first book I ever wrote. It was self-published back in 2011, and it's a little guide. I'll read you the description. It says, "A guide to a season of fresh cut flowers from a 3 by 10 foot garden for beginners and seasoned gardeners." And this is the book that kind of put me on the map. And it's been out of print now for about 4 or 5 years, about maybe 4 years. And so, of course, I have extra copies. So tomorrow in the Gardener's Workshop live shopping show, I am giving away a signed copy to you. And I would love for it to be you. Look at the back. Friends, this picture right here of me back in 2010 is what really brought us so much attention. It went all across the country in over all 50 of the states. The AP Press picked it up when the local garden writer wrote an article about this little book and just about how it was clear and concise and to the point. And anyway, I'm giving one of these away. They are not available to purchase. And no, they're not going back in print anytime soon that I'm aware of. And so I would love for you to join. So just like last week, you have to attend the live shopping show. And what is that? Friends, inside the Gardener's Workshop app, 12 noon Eastern time on Fridays, we are showing the harvest. I'm giving the 411 on the stuff that we're harvesting. And we will tell you when you get there how you're going to enter to get this little book if you are the lucky winner. And friends, we also have the other part of the shopping show is that I do special bundles. I do special offers. You won't find that anywhere else. It's like part of attending a live event, right? So check out the Gardener's Workshop live shop if you want to, be the lucky winner of this little book. It's only like 100 pages long, and look at this. I just love this picture in the back. That's a picture of my man Stevie sitting on our tractor. That was before I had my John Deere. And anyway, you look back on the things you did 10 years ago. This is actually longer than 10 years now. And it's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe how much I didn't know about doing a book or whatever. But it was to the point, and we loved it, and we sold thousands and thousands and thousands of these little books. And we still hear from people that have been doing it for all these years, friends. So get out early, get your stuff done, be done our goal is to be done by noon, and that gives us stamina. Drink tons of liquids, and not energy drinks, but Gatorade, electrolyte stuff, and just get the job done. And I cannot wait until you guys can see all the beautifulness. Tomorrow's show is like the height of summer, right? All the beautiful warm season. And I even have a couple of cool flowers from the experiment that are still going on. So I'd love to show you those. I'm just looking around. We had an awesome photo shoot here yesterday, and we're tired, y'all, but everybody's tired. It's because it's so hot outside. It just sucks the life out of us. So be safe, be careful, and please pass the word. Join tomorrow on the Gardener's Workshop app. And now if you don't have the app yet, just go to your app store and search Gardener's Workshop Live Shop. And download it, join us, and tons of fun, friends. So check that out, all right? So I'm going to go cut some flowers, more flowers. All right, friends, ciao, be safe.